Be ready. 5 seconds. Start.
Countering the said submissions of the learned counsel for the petitioner Sri Srivastav or the Medical Council of India, relying on the averments made in the counter affidavit on behalf of the respondent numbers 3 and 4, contends that the fact of the experience certificate of 3 of the faculties was investigated by the council and was ultimately found to be contrary to what was represented by the petitioner institute. The same was considered by the central government along with the explanation submitted by the petitioner, and the central government has rightly endorsed the view of the medical council for withdrawing the recommendations. He, however, submits that so far as the medical council is concerned, invoking the principles of Journal Clauses Act 1897, the power to recommend also includes the power to withdraw such recommendations, more so where the documents on the basis whereof recommendation was granted have not been founded to be genuine. He contends that in such a situation there was no occasion for granting any opportunity to the petitioner at the time of withdrawal of recommendations by the Medical Council of India. It is urged that the requirement of providing an opportunity was made available at the time when the central government proceeded to take a decision, and in such a situation, once the withdrawal has been accepted by the central government after calling for an explanation from the petitioner, there was no violation of principles of natural justice as alleged. The withdrawal of the recommendations founded on legitimate grounds does not call for any interference. The full bench decision of the Delhi High Court in the case of Malla Reddy has been subjected to a challenge before the Supreme Court, where notices have been issued and the matter is pending. He further submits that even otherwise, the apex court in several decisions that have been placed along with the counter affidavit has held that the time schedule for running of the courses should not be altered by judicial intervention, and once the recommendation has been withdrawn and permission cancelled, the courses have not been run, and therefore no relief can now be granted to the petitioner. Sri Srivastav has further invited the attention of the court to the endorsement made on the declaration given by the institution, which has been produced in paragraph 60 of the counter affidavit, to contend that the endorsement is about the verification of the documents of the faculties, and such endorsement has been found to be false. Therefore, the withdrawal was justified as the institute had colluded with the said faculties in trying to seek permission for running the courses on the strength of such ingenuine documents. On the other hand, Sri S.B. Pandey, Learned Assistant Solicitor General of India for the Government of India, has contended that full opportunity was given to the petitioner and no error could be found in withdrawal of the recommendations as forwarded by the Medical Council of India. As such, the government was justified in withdrawing the permission on the basis of facts found.